Hello, this is Jane AI once again. I'm thrilled to have you back. After optimizing the core functionalities, today I'll guide you through the features of the posters. Let's start with Facebook. When you open the program, you'll arrive at the first selection screen, the posting options. Here, you can make preliminary decisions about the type of post you want to create. By default, it's set to image and text, but you can choose any other option that fits your needs. Important note: please pay attention to the message at the bottom of the page. This applies to all posters and surfers. Since the program uses your Chrome profile, running the program while simultaneously browsing with Chrome in another window may lead to a conflict and crash the program. To avoid this, close all Chrome windows before posting. If you forget, don't worry. The program will automatically close all Chrome windows before posting. You might see some notifications during the process, but you can safely ignore them. They won't affect the posting. In the middle of the page, you'll find two buttons, Back and Select. Back returns you to the program's main interface. Select takes you to the specific page you chose from the menu on the left. The form, creating your post. In the next step, a form will open with all the essential fields you need for your post. 1. Assigning the post. At the top, you can choose whether to assign your post to your personal account or a page. By default, the account is selected. Change this setting as needed. 2. Uploading an image. Click Choose File, select the desired image, and confirm with Open. Your image is now linked to your post. 3. Entering text. You can manually type your text or use one pre-generated with the text generator. 4. Timing is everything. Define when your post should be published. By default, the current date is set. You can manually edit it or select a date using the small calendar icon. For the time, enter the hour and minute in the HHMM format without spaces. Making your content unforgettable. The last setting is perfect for those who want to leave a lasting impression, for example, advertising for socialXpert. Here, you can schedule your post to repeat automatically on a weekly or monthly basis. Convenient, right? Create and send your post. Once everything is set up, click the button at the bottom, and voila, your post is on its way. The input form will disappear, allowing you to continue your work seamlessly. Where's your post now? No worries, I'll show you where your post is temporarily stored. 1. Go to View Scheduled Posts, located below the posters. 2. This will open the database where all your posts are recorded. 3. Scroll down using your mouse wheel. The last post is the one you just created. Your post is now queued and waiting for the exact minute to be sent. Important: ensure your program is active at the scheduled time. Keep your database organized. To avoid clutter, I recommend regularly deleting one-time posts. Recurring posts, weekly or monthly, are automatically updated with the next scheduled date. Want to stop a post? No problem. Click on the corresponding row, it will be highlighted in blue, and then press Delete Selected Posts. It's gone. You can also select multiple rows at once. All other posts work exactly as described, with one exception: Pinterest. This platform has a few unique characteristics, which we'll cover separately. That's it. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Have fun planning and managing your posts.